So you may want to polish it. Bring it to a mirror finish. Make sure that stain is gone and there's like no deficits in the blade. And this thing, you can literally shave a monkey in it. There we go, right? Now, stare at the edge and make sure it goes into infinity. Look at the back, no metal removed. And look at the throat. See how clean that is? See, still keeps the geometry of the blade. All right, the integrity of the blade is intact. And you can literally shave your body with this thing. Look at that. And you should be able to do this at least 30 to 50 times without leaving a tell. So it should always look like new. It should always be pristine. And I'm sorry, but like 9.5 out of 10 are never the same after sharpening. This is worldwide. Okay.